you got an interpretation. Okay,
Yes,
you
yes,
got an
yes.
interpretation, but what helped you to get to that interpretation? What is present in the sentence that makes you think that picture A is the correct interpretation of the sentence and picture B is the wrong interpretation of the text? Rizwan sir, what would you say?
Sir, Mary is the subject,
Hmm.
or she is the one who is doing the action. तो
Very good.
वो जो ग्रामेटिकल हमें वो जो इसका सीक्वेंस बताया हुआ है कि वो एक्शन किया जाता है किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर, उससे मुझे इस तरह से लगता है कि मैरी पोस्ट जॉन ओवर, दिस टेल्स मी दैट मैरी इज द वन हु इज डूइंग द एक्शन एंड जॉन इज द वन जिसके ऊपर एक्शन हुआ है.
Very nice. Actually, this was the point that I was trying to explicate. Mary pushed John over. To understand the meaning of the sentence, first you need to describe the sentence, as Rizwan has just done. I mean, he has said that Mary is the subject and John is the object. So that's why we get a particular type of interpretation. So interpretation is actually dependent upon the structure of the sentence. And the description of the structure of the sentence is very important as far as any textual analysis is concerned. In case of literary critics, their emphasis is not on establish any connection between the description of the text and the interpretation, the way Rizwan has done that. Rather, they would just read out a text. They would first establish a kind of opinion, and they would depend upon their intuition to assess the literary worth of that literary text. So they are least concerned with the description of the text, least concerned with this stage, more concerned with interpretation, and they would be the most concerned people with the evaluation. So evaluation, to make particular evaluation, they definitely need interpretation, but that interpretation is not descriptively informed. Yes, they sometimes give quotations from the text. They sometimes identify different motives, different themes which are given in the text to reach to some sort of interpretation. But there is no direct connection between the description and interpretation. The kind of connection that a stylistician tries to establish between description and interpretation is very rigorous, a very detailed one. Why? Because stylistic analysts, they believe that it is the description which actually leads us to the interpretation. And these stylisticians are least bothered about the evaluation. They don't make claims that if a particular text is better than another particular text, but they are more interested in understanding how description of the text, the interpretation of the text, they are connected with each other. So that's why when we define stylistics, we define it as an interpretative method where primary importance is given to the description of the language. So this could be a definition of stylism. It is an interpretative method, a method of interpretation, which heavily depends on the explicit and rigorous description of the text. So this is what we do in stylistics. Okay, this is how literary stylisticians are different from literary critics. Do you get that? Should we move on? So here it is. Why is your answer picture A? How do you get to this interpretation? We must already know that Mary is the subject of the sentence, John is the object. Normally, we do not explicitly. The way Rizwan has done it is very explicitly. Ihsan was slightly struggling to connect that connection. Why? Because we intuitively get the meaning. वैसे ही हमारे ज़हन में आ जाता है इसका मीनिंग ये है, इंट्यूटिवली, अपने आप ही. लेकिन क्यों आ रहा है ये क्वेश्चन हमने कभी अपने से नहीं पूछा कि क्यों हम इस मीनिंग तक पहुंच रहे हैं. Why do we get to some sort of मीनिंग, वो नहीं पूछते. तो वो अगर आप एक्सप्लिसिट करेंगे, उसको वाजे करेंगे ये क्यों मीनिंग आ रहा है, then you are doing stylistics. Doing stylistics is making the relationship between the description of the text and interpretation of the text explicit, making that relation explicit, making that relationship obvious. सो एनालिसिस किस चीज का हो रहा है? एनालिसिस हो रहा है डिस्क्रिप्शन का और इंटरप्रिटेशन के रिलेशनशिप का, के ताल्लुक का को एक्सप्लिसिट करने की आप कोशिश कर रहे हैं. दिस इज वन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ स्टाइलिस्टिक एनालिसिस. So statisticians suggest that linguistic description and its relationship with the interpretation should also be discussed as explicitly, as systematically, and in as detailed a way as possible. Thus, the essential core of stylistics has following same three major parts as literary criticism, but the focus is on the first two. देखें, मैंने आपको literary criticism में भी यही 3 points बताए थे. But the last 2 terms were in blue. Now I have the first 2 terms in the blue. Interpretation दोनों में है, लेकिन stylistics का focus किस पे है? Description का. और literary critics का किस पे focus है? Evaluation.